The structural formula of an unsaturated compound is given below. Why that the compound is unsaturated? Because the compound has a double bond. So, i-unsaturated ngaleyo ndlela leyo ngoba ine-double bond. So, into ongayenza before you attempt ama-question, ungapha lesi structure igama laso. Soqala ngakuphi ukubala? Soqala ngala esizosheshe sithole ngakhona i-double bond. Okay, masiqala ngapha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Masiqala ngapha. 1, 2, 3, 4. So noma ngabe siqala ku-X, noma ngabe siqala ku-Y, double bond siyithola couple number 2. Siyithola couple number 2. Noma siqale ngapha siyithola couple number 2. So i-double bond iyahluleka ukusikhethela ukuthi siqala ngakuphi. Sesibuka i-substituent manje. Masiqala ngapha kwa-Y, sithola i-methyl group or i-substituent couple number 2. Kanti masiqala ngapha ku-X, i-substituent sithola couple number 3. Ngapha ku-Y sithola couple number 2. So sesizoqala ukubala ngaku-Y. Sekuzoba i-methyl group esikhethelayo ukuthi siqala ngakuphi ukubala. Since i-double bond sihlulekile ukusikhethela ngoba sithola phakathi nendawo. Uma uza ngapha ithola couple number 2, noma uza ngapha kwayo ithola couple number 2. Asesi-check i-methyl group yona sithola couple number 2 uma uqala ku-Y. So soqala ku-Y ukubala. Mase siphi igama sizosho sithi ku-couple number 2 we have i-methyl, then the longest chain couple number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Izothi to in butene. Ungasho ukuthi butane to in ngoba sekuzoba butane. Okay, but to in. Kufanele ufihle ngaso sonke isikhathi ufihle loya 2 loya. Ubone ukuthi igama lakho liyafundeka yini. This is butene. Okay, define the term unsaturated compound. Compound with one or more multiple bonds between their hydrocarbon chain. Write down the IUPAC name of the compound. Sesibhalile. Okay. So butanoic acid is the functional isome of methyl propanoate. Write down the functional group of butanoic acid. Mhlambe ake silokhu ekhuluma ngakho asikudwebe. Butanoic acid. Ish, khona hydrogen ngale. Kashile. Ukhona kodwa yena ngale hydrogen kashile. Space sama sengivumeli thina ngimibhalo. Okay, this is butanoic acid. This is ngapha metal propanoate. So sekuyi-ester le. I-ester. Functional group ye-ester. Nansi. Uma kwaqala nje nge-functional group, already usune-mark for i-functional group. So le part efike ne-alcohol no-carbon eyi-1, methyl propanoate le ngapha no-carbon abo-3. Efike ne-carboxylic acid le part le propanoate. Okay. So le part ifike ne-carboxylic acid. Le part ifike ne-alcohol. Okay, this is butanoic acid. That's-ke, write down the name of the functional group of butanoic acid. Bafuna igama lalo. Igama lakhe carboxyl group akusuye ucarboxylic acid, but igama le-functional group carboxylic acid. So sesikhuluma nge-homologous series where this compound belong. Now, draw a structural formula of methyl propanoate. Yeah, ngidrawile. Explain why butanoic acid and and methyl propanoate are described as functional isomer. Bangama-functional isomer ngoba bane-molecular formula efanayo, bese ama-functional group awafani. Le functional group yalana ayifani naleya functional group. So negama liyazisho why bengama-functional isomer, shuthi sizokhuluma nge-functional. Functional what? Functional group. So ama-functional group wabo awafani. While i-molecular yabo ifana, molecular formula yabo ifana. So sisho ngathi molecular formula yabo iyafana. Singabala la ukuthi o-carbon bangaki 1, 2, 3, 4. C4 hydrogen khona hydrogen ocashile la 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H8. Oxygen bangaki bawu-2, O2. Sibale nangapha carbon bawu-4. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H8. Oxygen bawu-2. So they have same molecular formula, but different functional group. Write down the IUPAC name of the alcohol used to prepare methyl propanoate. Shilo ngathi le part le ngapha le ifike ne-alcohol ino-carbon, shuthi i-alcohol ino-carbon oyi-1. So kuzoba methanol. Write down the IUPAC name of the positional isomer of methyl propanoate. Write down the IUPAC name of the positional isomer. Okay, i-isomer yala singathatha lo simuse kuleli side elingaliya esimdwebele. Singathatha lo mnye u-carbon sim-relocate. So shuthi ngapha sesizoba ne-alcohol eno-carbon abawu-2. C into C. So le part le ngapha seku-ethyl. Sesiwu-methyl ngoba sino-carbon abawu-2. Ethyl le ngapha ino-carbon abawu-2. Ethanoate. Ethanoate. So bona bebefuna le IUPAC name, but kunzima ukuthi uphe igama into ongayiboni. Ngathi ungayenza kuqala le positional isomer abakhuluma ngayo bese kuyikhathi-ke uyiphi igama.